If you've ever wanted a quick, easy, and safe way to download MP3 songs using just your Chrome browser, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and download high-quality MP3 tracks straight to your computer. No sketchy sites, no complicated programs, just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, make sure you have your Google Chrome browser open and ready to go. If you're already on Chrome, great. If not, take a second to launch it. Why Chrome? It's fast, secure, and most of us already have it as our daily driver. Plus, everything we're about to do works seamlessly in Chrome, so you won't run into any hiccups. Once Chrome is open, head to the address bar. That's the long bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll type in your searches, so go ahead and type Pixabay. Pixabay is a well-known, trusted resource for free and copyright-safe media. Not only do they offer stunning photos and videos, but their music section is a hidden gem for royalty-free MP3 downloads. After you search for Pixabay, you'll land on their homepage. Take a look around. There's a lot here, but today we're focused on their music. At the top of the page, you should see clear navigation options. Click on Music. This section is dedicated solely to audio tracks, so you won't get lost in images or clips. It's organized to make finding MP3s straightforward and stress-free. Now comes the fun part, searching for your music. In the Pixabay music section, you'll see a search bar where you can type the title of the song you're after. Maybe you need background music for a new project, or maybe you just want to add something fresh to your playlists. Type in the song title, or even a mood or genre, like calm or upbeat. Pixabay's search is pretty flexible. Take your time here. You might even find something unexpected that catches your ear. If you're not sure of the exact title, don't worry. You can always browse by genre or mood, or check out their featured tracks for inspiration. Once you spot a track you like, take a moment to listen. You can preview each song before you commit to downloading. This lets you check the vibe and quality, super important if you're planning to use it in a video, presentation, or just for personal enjoyment. When you find the perfect song, you'll notice a download button, usually right next to the track. Click it, and your MP3 will start downloading instantly. This part is as simple as it gets. No pop-ups, no registration, just straightforward downloading. If you're new to downloads, you'll find that the MP3 usually saves right to your default Downloads folder. From here, you can copy it to your music library, add it to a playlist, or import it to your favorite editing software. And there you have it. You've just downloaded an MP3 song safely in Chrome using Pixabay. It's really that simple. Remember, everything on Pixabay is free to use, so you don't have to worry about copyright headaches or hidden fees. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have questions or need help finding more great music, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward, reliable tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy listening.